with some assets going on the kind of crazy rallies you would expect at the height of a bull run. In this video, we are going to look into and investigate the top 5 tokens that we do think have the potential and ability to do extremely well in the month ahead. Let us dive into the video. Welcome to our Crypto Zip channel. We are going to show you how to make money in crypto. For that matter, make sure to click the red subscribe button on the left side. In today's video we will give you our top 5 guesses for August. At number 5 on our list is an absolute fox. That is right, Shapeshift's Fox token. This token just made history in the largest airdrop of all time. Is there any reason why this could be so momentous and significant? It is because Shapeshift is changing. After around 7 years as a centralized exchange, they are in the end making the move to complete decentralization. At the beginning of this year, in January, Shapeshift indicated the integration of DEXs and detach and separate all KYC requirements for their customers. Few months later, in April, they set free the power of Thorchain, permitting and authorizing users to smoothly and continuously trade non-native digital assets. So, what actually happened next? Oh well, Shapeshift is getting ready to open source literally everything. Their total corporate structure will be slowly loosened up, and following the greatest airdrop of all time, which saw Fox tokens to be distributed to over more than 1 million users and some other members of the DeFi community, a control of Shapeshift will start to emigrate and relocate over the Fox holders. This actually means that Fox tokens will very soon have an exercising authority, or better said, full governance. Every little thing from how to build on the new open platform to treasury decisions. So, what does this mean for the Fox token as well for its price situation? Well, apart from taking a part in such a noteworthy and remarkable move with the crypto space, Fox holders can also look forward to a wide range of benefits and advantages coming their way. These include rewards for liquidity mining of the Fox ETH pool on Uniswap and taking a part in the Shapeshift staking rewards contract. In addition, as rainfall rewards for users trading on the Shapeshift DEX. In the matter of price action, Fox's value esteem and value exploded with the airdrop in the middle of July, just a couple of weeks ago, and at the time of this recording, it is sitting around 58 cents. Just a little bit more of 100% increase in only a few weeks. As for where it might go next, given the big role it is set to play in Shapeshift's future and deflationary max supply of about $1 billion, we do await and look forwards to huge moves ahead for Fox's price action this summer and further on. At number 4, we do have another unbearably hot DeFi protocol, Compound and its governance token Comp. Compound is one of the undisputed and unquestionable kings of DeFi, an Ethereum-based algorithm, autonomous interest rate protocol built for developers, unlocking a whole universe of open financial applications. In much simpler terms, through interfaces that integrate the Compound protocol, users can lend or borrow across range of crypto assets, and with more than $1.73 billion locked up at the time of this recording, this makes it no less than the 3rd largest DeFi player in the game. For anyone that is new over here, here is a quick overview. Compound allows crypto holders to deposit or lend their assets to the protocol and receive interest in return. And while rates are variable and change very quickly in accordance with levels in the supply pool, they go way beyond anything you might expect from your ordinary and regular American bank. Users can only then borrow assets by putting their deposited crypto up as collateral. And contrasting the legacy financial system, these kinds of services are available to literally anyone. So, you can have the world's worst credit rating or no bank account at all. If you have access to the internet, and we assume you do, enough to make an original deposit, you are good to go. That is what DeFi is all about. Its rise this year has been indestructible and irreversible, and it is absolutely not showing signs of slowing down. So, what about Comp, the governance token that makes its wheels turn? Well, very similar to Fox, less than Comp gives its holders full say over the protocol. That can actually mean making network proposals, voting on issues such as the acceptance of new collateral types, borrowing capacities, choice of oracles and interest rate models. What users can do is also delegate their comp tokens via Web3 wallet to give other community members more say in the thriving ecosystem. And it's thanks to the potential ecosystem that made us pit comp for our BitSQ. Add hot coin shindig. The price at this very moment is circa $385 with the current market cap of just over $2 billion. Compound is a protocol with a big future in front of it. And I have a great amount of scarcity. This is some space that is worth watching for real. The price is low in the last couple of months, but if you want to get involved in the promising DeFi technology, this might be the right moment for that. We are trying to do the research for you. That is why I would like to remind you to hit the subscribe button and like this video. We are moving on the position 3. In number 3 is the Alien Worlds and its token named TLM. If you are longer in this business, you probably know that the crypto-based games are the most popular around right now. We can see that while the rest of the market is in consolidation after the huge decline, gaming tokens went very much up. A lot of people got the fear of missing out and they started buying the gaming tokens. This is not the case just in the tokens or cryptocurrencies, but we can see that the gaming industry and entertainment in general is in rise. This makes sense because the industry is going up, that the tokens will go up as well. We picked Alien Worlds because has a lot of promising technology. Alien World has the promise of something like Axie Infinity with even more potential. The story behind it is really simple. Players are moving between alien lands competing for a resource called Trillium. This in fact is the game's token, TLM. When gaining this token is giving some extra features in the games. Take can also find and stake NFTs in the game if they want some extra profit. In other words, we are talking about one of the fastest growing NFT games in the world. The game using this Trillium is going on the top of the lists. If the token TLM rose in July, we can only imagine what can do further. We are going upper on our list. We went to the second place. Here we have another super hot gamer. It is Ultra. It is the first gaming platform that offers you a various gaming service all in one. This platform allows users to play games, to watch live streaming feeds, and to involve in contests and tournaments. It is something like one-stop shop for everything you need about gaming on PC. This looks like heaven for gamers and nerds really. This platform runs on the Ultra network. This network is a hyper-fast smart contract blockchain that can handle tens of thousands of transactions per second. This is great for developers too. It is free for anyone that wants to develop a gaming platform or virtual goods trading service. It also opens the marketplace for digital goods where you can use cross-platform SDK. Ultra's token called UOS is used for the purchases within this network. If you want to buy games from the platform, or you want to buy something in the games, it is required to use the UOS. There is a possibility for developers to sell ads on the platform. The main net went live in the late June. This means that is still young, and if becomes big it is the right moment when you are hearing for it. The gaming industry is one of the fastest ways to implement the crypto. We are living in a crypto gaming boom era. If Ultra can survive its first steps, having in mind that is first platform of this kind, it can grow in a real monster in the years ahead. Last but not least on this list, or the one at the top, is the mighty Quant. We were researching this one couple of days ago and the token already went up. If you have bought it couple of days ago, you are already getting more than 130%. So, why is the hype about it? Firstly, it stands to solve the huge problem with the interoperability between the blockchains. It has the ability to connect all the distributed ledgers in the world. This means that it can interconnect not just the blockchains, but all the existing platforms, networks, and applications. So, Quant Network actually is an operating system. It is called Overledger that enables the connection of any isolated networks together at internet scale and simultaneously. It is not another blockchain, but it is a system or an operating system. This means that the use case goes way beyond the crypto does. This is really revolutionary because it can connect with other tokens or any other apps that are using in any sense crypto technology. It can be connected with all the distributed ledgers out there. For sure we should be looking more on this one in the future. But for now, I'm sure that you got the sense of what is going on and what are the possibilities of the QNT. Basically, the potential is unlimited. I hope that we gave you all the needed information about the tokens that has the potential in future. So, good luck.